Welcome back to the car updates. The GT-R has always blended brute force with surgical precision, and the 2025 model refines that equation. Under the hood, the hand-built 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6, crafted in Nissan's Yokohama facility by a team of master Takumi engine builders, still delivers that explosive performance we crave. In standard premium trim, it produces 565 horsepower and 467 lb-ft of torque, while the Nismo variant takes things to the extreme with 600 horsepower and 481 lb-ft. These numbers aren't just impressive on paper. They translate to a 0 to 60 miles per hour time hovering around 2.9 seconds. Thanks to its lightning-quick dual-clutch 6-speed transmission and the famed Atessa ETS all-wheel drive system. But this car isn't just about straight-line savagery. Nissan's fine-tuned the suspension for improved ride comfort without sacrificing its edge on the track. Bilstein Damptronic shock absorbers dynamically adjust to driving conditions, offering compliance on the street and control when pushed hard. Lateral grip remains phenomenal, aided by sticky Dunlop SP Sport Max GT600 tires and optional carbon ceramic brakes on the Nismo edition that provide fade-free stopping power lap after lap. Design-wise, the 2025 GT-R is sharper and more aerodynamic than ever. A redesigned front fascia includes new LED headlights and a more sculpted V-motion grille, enhancing airflow to the engine and reducing drag. Around back, the signature quad-ring taillights remain, instantly recognizable at any distance, while a more aggressive rear diffuser and active aero components help keep the car planted at speed. The Track Edition and Nismo variants elevate the look further, with carbon fiber hoods, larger rear wings, and exposed vents that scream performance. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that, while aging in layout, is still focused on the driver. The 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but the real charm lies in the digital multifunction display that shows detailed telemetry, turbo boost G-forces lap times, reminiscent of a video game but all too real. Recaro Sport seats offer excellent support and comfort even during extended spirited drives. And yes, it still has that old-school mechanical feel, analog where it counts, which purists will deeply appreciate. When it comes to sound, the GT-R's titanium exhaust system delivers a distinctive growl, metallic, raw, and wholly unique to this car. It doesn't try to be polite. It announces itself with authority. And when you're carving mountain roads or blasting down a straightaway, that sound becomes part of the thrill, a mechanical symphony that few modern sports cars can match without artificial augmentation. In terms of uniqueness, the GT-R walks a fascinating line. It doesn't conform to traditional supercar expectations. There's no mid-engine layout, no hybrid boost, no fancy retractable spoilers or butterfly doors. Instead, it's a front mid-engine brute with a rear transaxle and a permanent AWD system that claws for grip in all conditions. It's heavy by supercar standards, yet it moves like a lighter machine, thanks to its sophisticated chassis tuning and raw power. The GT-R is unapologetically itself, a technological powerhouse that feels engineered more than styled, built with purpose rather than pretense. Thank you for joining us for this deep dive into the 2025 Nissan GT-R. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future reviews. Whether it's performance legends, electric game changers, or underrated sleepers, we cover it all right here. Until next time, stay passionate, drive safe, and keep your foot down.